right, well, I did 2 days of back-to-back hikes. I think I hiked up to that dam twice. It was a lot of fun, but a nice break from detecting, and now I'm back. So I've got a list of parks I'm gonna hit, hopefully have some great finds, and we'll see how it goes. Gonna be epic, hopefully. If not, I'll still have fun. Just finding those bottle caps and pull tabs and all the other oddities I typically find, but I'm gonna hit at least 4 or 5 different tot lots on this hunt, and hopefully I score big. I'm due, but I'm at a park I've never been to before, and then I've got some that I've hit about 1.5 years ago than when I was here, so I better find something good. Anyway, off to the hunt. All right. Nice solid target here. I have been digging up so much change. I think I've got 20 coins out of this park so far. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Is that a spinner ring? I can't tell. It's not moving. Wow. I got a ring. I think I have one of these. If I'm not mistaken, it will spin. It might be stuck. Awesome! Finally, after probably, I don't know, 20 coins, mostly pennies, a couple quarters, a couple dimes, got a ring. Well, I was over here in this little sand area looking for toys, and I just pulled this out. Holy smokes, it's quite the target. All right, I was getting a high tone here, 32, so it's either gonna be a quarter or a toy or junk. There's a rock. Ah. Ha 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 ha. Look at that. Yeah. Yabba dabba doo. Look at this thing. Woo. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels. Honey, what's this at it? Wow, how funny. El Segundo, California. And El Segundo is a beach I hit up there once in a while. That is an awesome score. Getting a jumpy signal underneath these toys here. Not coming in very good, which is, those kind of pique my interest. They tend to be better targets sometimes, so, and I see a chain. Broken chain. I don't know what it is about this area, but I find more chains than anywhere else. It looks like bling, but I'll double check it. I don't have my acid test, so if that clip doesn't have a marking, I won't be able to know. But it looks rusted, so it's probably bling. All right, I'm getting a nice 12, 11, 12, 13 here, and then a 1. Huh. What do we have under the wood chips? Oh, see? What did I tell you? Chains. I think that might be, I don't know, maybe a bracelet. All right. Looks like a worm, but that's cool. I'll take that. More bling. All right, amongst the trash there are treasures, and this 15 is either going to be one or the other, trash or treasure. Bottle cap, pull tab, or treasure. Ooh, it's not butter. That's kind of cool. All right, I'll take that. That is definitely better than a bottle cap or pull tab. All right, I'm getting a Mainly a 1718 right here. That was pretty easy. Haha. Ooh, that's a cool little car. Huh. Nice. Car number 2 for the day. Kind of funny, all those parks I hit the other day, I didn't find a single car. Now I got 2. That's a tiny one though. All right, bottom of this slide, I got something weird. I think it might be a button, not really sure. It's got design on it, but it's pretty corroded over, so I'll have to clean it at home. And we'll see what it is. I can't really tell. That's cool. All right, behind that rock wall in this little sitting area, I'm getting a 30 down here. And what do we have here? Ooh, Sacagawea. That's a nice shape too. I got my first dollar. Nice. All right, getting a 25 right here. What's we got? It's a really warm day today, so it's nice out. Ooh, a dinosaur. What is this? I have no idea. Not really sure what that's off of. Kind of cool though. All right, get a jumpy segment here. 15, 1, 14. Let's see what we got hiding away down here. Red. Ah. All right, stuck in there pretty good. Look at that. It's on too. That was a flashlight. Now it doesn't want to go back on. Check that out. I got me a flashlight. Very cool. Alright, I just dug up a bell that rang as a 14 on the Knox. I'm working along this thing here. I figure a lot of people sit there and watch their kids, and I had a 7, 8, 9 I believe it was, and I see a chain. Haven't pulled it out yet. Oh, it's just a small piece. Oh, it's a cross. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, I was digging up a number 11 on as a VDI, and I have a ring. Look at this. Whoa, that's a pretty cool one. Pretty. Probably tungsten. Dang. Not too shabby. Well, I found a park that's partially rubberized, but there is some area here that can work. And I just got a signal. 10, 11, 13, huh? Let's see what we got. Oh, I have a butterfly. All right, first target here. Well, I'm on park number 3 already this morning, and getting an interesting signal here. But that last park I only got a butterfly. Didn't even find a penny. That's crazy. And we have a kid's ring, it looks like. Yep, piece broken off there. Probably was some sort of design or something. All right. It is gold colored, but it's not gold. Huh. Well, let's keep hunting. I'm getting a solid 21 right here. Man, these parks are brutal today. Not finding a whole heck of a lot. Ooh. Have another ring. Come with a 21. I wonder if that's silver. I don't see any markings on it. That's a pretty high number for, it's probably just bling though. I will definitely double check it. I'm not seeing anything offhand, but you know, my eyesight's so great. Oops. Definitely got a good color. Get another jumpy one here. Literally, it's been about 20 feet since I got the ring, so. Ooh, got another one. And it's a kid's ring, but that's cool. At least I'm finding something here. That first three were just brutal. Found that butterfly, that was about it. Cool. Little blingers, bow tie. I went through the grass here on the way back to the truck, and I found this, and can't really tell what it was, broken off of something. But it's got a diamond in the middle, and it's gold colored, so I will definitely test it when I get back. It doesn't look like it's gonna be real gold, but you never know. Nice little grass find. It was about 1 inch down, maybe 1/2 inch. All right, I did find another piece to it, right next to it, so I'll continue to search the area. I don't know how big it would have been, but that could have just been the piece it broke off of. All right, I had a little signal here and a little chirp. Didn't even really register, but I found a backing. Back into an earring. Put that away. See if I can find the earring here. What is that? Well, that's not an earring. Oh, how cool. TA. Looks like I found Homer. All right. That's really cool. Getting a nice low number right here. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Another ring. Probably just another blinger. M. I don't think it's real, but I'll double check. Wood chips. Very cool. Yeah. Did a little discoloration on it, but that's okay. Got another one to add to the collection. Get a nice 15 right here. There it is. Oh. Wow. Looks like a bib. Alright, let's keep going. Well, I thought I was digging up another penny, and I have the combination part of a lock. Been there a while. Cool. Well, this was one heck of a hunt. Baseball is a surface find. You can usually tell the difference between when I'm digging grass, when I'm digging the tot lots. For example, all this iron came out of the grass, piece of wire. I got nails both in the tot lot and in the grass. These 4 bits came out of a tot lot underneath the toy. A little digging down there. Just odds and ends here. Another one of these. This one's totally worthless. Pull tabs. Let's see here. We got some zipper pulls. We've got whatever this thing is here. Some type of battery maybe, or motor next to the battery, and then a small battery. A lot of hair pieces this time. Look at all those things. Big piece of iron. Got that out of a sand tot lot. Flashlight. The green shovel is a surface find. A couple paintbrushes, pieces of pencil. I did score 2 cars. Pretty cool. Wish Christine was here to make her noises. I don't do that. But they're pretty cool. Got myself part of a combo lock. Little bell, little Tinker bell. 2 keys. And then change. Clad. Between clad and pennies. I didn't count the pennies, there's no way. But there's probably $10 in change. And then we come over here and we've got a cross. Not a big deal. One of these chains there. 2 necklaces, or this is a necklace that's broken or part of it. Then this is a probably a bracelet. And then I've got this, whatever this is. It's got a nice dinosaur. Almost looks like a drawer pull, but it's not. Got Homer. Pretty cool. Got $1. And when I was looking for those pieces here, I ended up finding 4 pieces in that same general area of this piece of jewelry. It is not gold. I got 1 backing right here. This little face here was off of something. And then from left to right, we got a butterfly, a bib, a crown, this piece of something here. And this looks almost like a scouting thing. It's got some numbers on it. Cleaned up the best I could for where I'm at here. Little piece of chain. I'm not going to count this as a ring. I mean, technically it is, but I don't even want to really count this one, but there's a ring there. This one I thought it might have been silver at first. It's not. Got a little M with a diamond. And I got this little bow tie ring. I'm thinking this one might be tungsten. That's really pretty with like blue glitter, blue and black. And then I have the spinner ring, and I totally was shocked. I was cleaning it, and I noticed that it does actually stamp 925. Right, you can kind of see it right here. Get the light right. Had no idea. I got myself silver again. At least it wasn't a total skunk on precious metals. Anyway, it was definitely a lot of fun. I have one more hunt planned. I'm going to hit as many parks as I can on the next hunt, and then I got one more time with Robert and probably Chris. So hopefully that works out well, but not too shabby. Sure are a lot of finds. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully be home fairly soon.